Djenny here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be coloring my hair using Dark and Lovely Fade Resistance Ice Espresso. So I'm going from blonde to black, blonde to black, blonde to black. Stay tuned. Okay, alright, so let's get right to it. So things that you're going to be needing is your box of hair color. By the way, this is $6 at your local beauty supply store. Gloves. You're going to need this. This was $2.39. I have cleansing cloth just in case I make a boo-boo on my face. And I have a comb. And my mirror. Oh. It's my daughter being my assistant. My handy dandy mirror. It's a little dirty, but it's gonna be used like this. If you watch my previous bleaching video, you know about this handy dandy mirror. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. So we're opening the box. So in the box comes cream developer, conditioner, gloves, but I have these other good gloves, and the fade resistant color, which you're supposed to mix with. I'm just gonna put that on the floor. So I'm gonna be mixing these two. I'm gonna pour this into here. Remove the cap. And we're gonna pour that. So the reason why I'm coloring my hair is because I just wanted to change, and I just purchased some really luxurious hair from D Hair Boutique, and I'm just gonna be installing my hair, and I want to go back to black. I love being blonde, but it's a lot of maintenance that's involved when you're blonde, and I don't want to bleach my hair anymore. Doesn't mean that I don't love being blonde. So you give it a good shake. Hopefully, I come out like the box says. Again, when coloring your hair, use see an expert. But if you want to do it yourself, then you can watch these YouTube videos. But seek professional advice. I am not a professional, but I like to color my hair. This is fun for me. Alright, so I'm giving it a good shake. It don't look black, it look brown. So I don't know, I'm a little worried. Let's look at the box again. You see what I mean? Don't do it yourself if you're not sure. Yeah, I see this, right? Yeah, I see this. She looks, let's zoom up. Let's zoom up a little bit. Okay. Tisha looks black on this cover. She has black hair. And we'll see if, you know, but I'm shaking it and it looks brown. So I'm a little worried that Tisha might have lied to us. Okay, so alright, so I have gloves on. Usually you're supposed to wear a shirt that you're not gonna reuse. I didn't do that. I'm probably gonna get a hair color on my shirt. So alright. I'm gonna be looking at my mirror down here. edges. We don't want to have blonde edges. Bye-bye, blonde. Alright, so I'm going to be grabbing my mirror. And I'm going to see what it looks like back there. This is why people don't use box color, because it is. Things like this happen. Alright, so now that it's kind of in there, let's comb it out a little bit and see what's happening. It looks like it's changing. It's changing. It's like it's doing what it was doing. Like, you know when you go blonde and it has to go the several steps in order for it to, you know, get lighter. It looks like it's doing the same thing. So it's taking its time. It's going back. This is a great video, you guys, because I don't know what color I'm going to get. This is a surprise color. Ow! I probably should have combed my hair out before we started this. My hair has grown a lot. So it's happening. Something's happening. Yeah. It's definitely changing, but I can still see brown, so I'm going to leave it in for a while. But I don't understand how look how dark it looks here, though. Like, what's happening with that? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused, guys. I knew I should have bought just jet black. Like, why do I have to be extra and buy, what is this? Ice espresso. Like, does that mean it's brown? Dum dum dum. Let's think about ice espresso coffee. It's not black. It's kind of like brown, right? Alright, so I'm just going to let this sit for a while. And then we'll wash it off and I will reveal what color actually comes out of this. Alright, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back. I washed and conditioned and yay, it's black. I know at first we were really like, what? Is this gonna be black? Is it gonna be brown? But it did work. Cafe Espresso did work on my hair. So I just wanted to come back and show you guys. So this is how it looked after being washed and conditioned. Okay, as you can see, the color seems like it's a little bit brown black, which I can live with, but it worked. It looks really, really dark to me, and yes, as long as it wasn't brown, blonde brown, we're good. So Cafe Espresso from Dark and Lovely did work on my blonde hair to turn it back black. All right, Hope you guys love this video. Thank you for subscribing. Check out my next video coming out soon. Bye.